Hi, I'm your host Beenish Mahmood from the Daily Minute Mirror, and today I will be reviewing a 2026 Lollywood film, Aag Lagay Basti Mein. Fakiri nahi chahiye, amiri chahiye. This dialogue lies at the center of at the heart of the film. Aag Lagay Basti Mein is a dark comedy and crime thriller, and it entwines humor with danger. The plot is simple. Barkat, Fahad Mustafa, and Almas Mahira Khan are both betrothed to each other, but both lie to each other about their realities. They deceive each other. Barkat says that he dwells in Dubai, and it is Almas's dream come true to dwell in Dubai. Almas is a born thief. She is not affiliated with any gang, but thievery runs in her blood. As both are thrown into difficult circumstances as they try to accomplish their wish of moving to Dubai, the love that sprouts between them excites the reader. A heart-wrenching scene occurs where Barkat uses all his savings to buy food for a child in the basti, and Almas throws a tantrum. The scene shows how opposite Almas and Barkat are in character. Whereas Almas only dreams of moving to Dubai, Barkat is kind, soft-hearted, and compassionate. After having tried all tricks, Barkat and Almas make an unsuccessful attempt at a robbery. As they try to flee the cream sign, they land in the house of Marble Seth, who is the dawn of the underworld. What happens next is a series of alarming events that surprise the reader. There is laughter, tears, grief, and empathy, but the central question remains: who will prevail, kindness or selfish ambition? Aag Lagay Basti Mein is a 2026 Lollywood film. With a runtime of 2 hours and 20 minutes, it has been rated at 7.4 on 10 on IMDb. It falls into the genre of Urdu crime and thriller. Both Fahad Mustafa and Mahira Khan deliver their roles with a finesse and spontaneity that is powerful. The costumes and sets also complement the theme. The film stresses the element that wealth is no measure of empathy. Barkat is poor, he can hardly make ends meet, but he has a heart of gold. On the other hand, Chungaze, who is Marble Don's son, is rich but he's cruel. The film has moments of comic relief. Despite dealing with a heavy and serious subject matter, it deals it in a light-hearted and humorous manner that keeps the audience glued to the screen till the very last end. Although the film is a romantic crime thriller, yet the way it addresses the subject is unique. Lollywood is taking a step ahead from the typical He-Ranja comedy. The writer is no longer portraying a utopian love world. Rather, love comes with its challenges and ordeals. Love comes packed with its challenges and ordeals. The film offers complete entertainment. The audience laughs and cries simultaneously. The theme is similar to that of the Bollywood film Bunty Bubbly, which also addresses the themes of dishonesty and thievery. The scene where Goldie dies because of standing in the heat all day long makes the audience weep. The audience weeps along with Goldie's parents. Goldie's mother says the most poignant dialogue here. "Gurbat ki bimari se bacha lo apne bachche ko. Save your child's life from poverty." The scene is heartbreaking and the audience understands the harsh reality of life. Life is like a roller coaster ride. It has its ups and downs. There is no guarantee of where it will take you the next moment. It's unpredictable. Aag Lagay Basti Mein is a good attempt at coming up with a unique cinematic experience. It takes a different approach to love, entwining it with crime. The soundtrack is melodious, though not catchy. The setting is realistic. Barkat and Almas really do live in a basti. In a nutshell, the film is interesting and deserves appreciation. The characters are charismatic and the storyline is exclusive. So grab your tickets before they are out. You do not want to miss out on the experience. Kudos.